Very happily for me, we're in Austin, Texas at Circuit of the Americas, which is one of the top tracks in the US and in the world. And we're here to run this thing hard. Texas is a cool place. It has some old school values, and at the same time, it's known as a place that has lots of high tech. The advancement from the older road racing tracks that you see in Laguna Seca and Willow Springs to a track that is a full F1 track, right in the heart of the country.
Current record holder for a production vehicle at Circuit of Americas is the McLaren P1. For this track, it's quite a different beast. Overall length, the back straight is extremely long, and there's fast corners, but it is also a much longer straight section track, which for a high downforce car is uncharted territory.
There's no reason why we can't find within America real road courses. And obviously those road courses started in Europe. And so I'm looking at Laguna Seca, I'm looking at Jim Hall coming out of Texas with the Chaparral vehicles that he had that impacted racing up until today. We should take all of those different threads and synthesize them new in racetracks like this and vehicles like the 21C.
The Czinger 21C is a fully homologated vehicle, and that means it's going to go through full crash, it's going to have airbags, it's going to be road legal. We're running it today in its road spec, so there's a full interior in the car, the lighting systems, the full roadworthy body is on that vehicle, and we're running on street legal tires, we're not running on slicks.
No rules, try to make it zero emissions. Within that, have a car that can be fully production homologated, but use all of the latest technologies. And I think this car is the pioneer of doing that.
I've had the unique opportunity of working with my father for almost 4 years now, and when I started, I was an entry-level engineer. I came into Divergent as a Series A company. We're about 20 people. Today we're a Series C company. We're around 150 people. I lead operations across Divergent and Czinger. Grown up with him as a mentor, we have a level of comfort with each other that's probably not normal in the workplace.
With Lucas, obviously I love him as a son, but separate from that, he has 30 plus patents relating to automation and assembly, an incredible engineer and a leader within the company. And of that, I'm both very proud as a father and very lucky as somebody who's on the team with him.
Thinking about other multi-generational companies, usually it's a passing of the torch. This is a little different, and we've worked together for years now, and we continue to work together as a father-son team. Frankly, we're trying to create an American family success story.
With today's computing power, software, AI, ability to invent new materials, we put all of that together. And what's super special about Czinger is it's the first to have it. That's why we take this car out on the track, and we're able to shatter production track records from much, much more established companies, because what we're doing is completely different. Being able to take a set of tools, a very talented small team, and have them express something that has totally off-the-hook performance, design, appearance, and aesthetics. Over time, we'll see many small teams use this set of tools, which will continue to develop, adapt, and become ever more powerful. We'll see a blossoming of creativity. It's moving from the analog, imagined, and constrained world to the unconstrained digital world where human ideas find much freer expression.